Hi guys, welcome to my channel Earnest Exploration. Embark on one of California's most scenic road trips as we drive from San Simeon to Los Angeles along the stunning Pacific Coast Highway. This journey offers breathtaking ocean views, charming coastal towns, and iconic landmarks like Morro Bay, Santa Barbara, and Malibu. But before you hit the road, understanding US driving rules and lane markings is essential for a smooth and safe trip. In this blog, I'll share important driving tips, explain key road signs, and guide you through must-visit stops along the way. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this guide will help you make the most of your California road trip. The distance between San Simeon and Los Angeles is 230 miles and ideally should take a little less than 4 hours of non-stop driving. But of course, we stopped a couple of times, once to charge our car and then for having lunch. So sit back and enjoy the scenes as we drive. Do not forget to lend me your ears to know about the driving rules in the US. You all must be aware that you have to keep to your right while driving here. Other general rules are to follow the speed limits prescribed. Even the dashboard in the car will alert you of the changing speed limits regularly. Complete stops are mandatory at stop signs and red traffic lights. In most states, you can turn right at a red light after stopping unless a sign prohibits it. Always give the right of way to pedestrians at crosswalks. On highways, the left lane is usually for passing only. Drive in the right or middle lanes when cruising. Indicate lane changes and turns well in advance. Solid white-yellow lines mean no crossing. Broken lines mean you can change lanes if safe. As we drive, I will give you more information on the lane marking. All exits will come to the right side, and if you have to enter the town along the highway, you have to stick to the extreme right lane. Now we will be exiting to Santa Maria. We'll break for EV charging and lunch and continue our drive.
At the EV station in Santa Maria, and then had lunch there, and we have taken off again on our journey to Los Angeles.
What lunch you had?
Oh, I have taken pictures and I've already put it.
Oh, is it so? But you can still tell, no?
What? I don't know what was that called. Tostadilla or something.
Morning, a place where we ate.
That also I don't know.
Morning. I knew.
So anyway.
And I know that I've not taken notice of that. I had a noted down.
Okay. So.
This is for my followers.
Okay.
Tell them
Where you
to
at?
eat.
I just put it as what is the Target Center it is called. Target was the biggest store there.
Santa Maria.
In Santa Maria. So there were a lot of other small things there to eat. Lot of joints, and we selected this place which was kind of a McDonald's kind, but it was Mexican.
Oh, this was Mexican?
Yeah, this was Mexican. Yeah, we are back on the road. Dry place. Looks like they've not had rains for months. But one of the guide at the Hertz Castle was telling that, once it rains, it becomes all green. And I guess so, because right now the grass is all dry.
Monica noted the dry fields, and with LA having no rain for 7 months, wildfires struck just 2 months after our visit, devastating the city. My heart goes out to its wonderful people.
What, Judge?
Yeah, quite.
You want to say something?
Quite a lot of traffic.
Yes.
Nice traffic behavior. It's very good over here. We maintain the distance. So it's quite good. And people are very patient. Drivers are very patient. You
So-
slow down, people slow down behind you. They don't honk. They don't try to overtake and go. So, traffic is very noticeable.
So Papa likes driving in the US.
Yes.
Yes. So we still have 2 hours to go, which is around 110 miles. And hopefully we are not going to stop anywhere.
Coming back the subject on lane rules. Understanding lane markings is essential for safe driving in the US. These lines guide traffic flow, indicate passing zones, and mark special lanes. The white broken line you see here allows you to change lanes if there are no cars just behind you. You are not supposed to change lane if the white lines are continuous, but it is not against the rule. But if there is a double white line, then you cannot change the lane. Single solid yellow line marks the left edge of the roadway on divided highways, one-way streets, and ramps. Double solid yellow lines, no passing allowed in either direction. Broken yellow line, you may pass if it's safe. If you see one yellow solid line and one broken yellow line, if the line is broken on your side, you can overtake a vehicle. But if the broken yellow line is next to the solid line on the other side, you cannot overtake, whereas the car coming opposite direction is allowed to overtake. Solid white line on the right edge marks the road boundary and not to be crossed unless for emergencies. And solid yellow line on the left edge is found on divide highways, and obviously it must not be crossed. That is all about the lane rules. I hope it will be useful to you.
There is the seashore. There's a ship. The other, I can see 2-3 ships. Oh, beautiful. So I don't know how long this will go, but it's from the map it says it shows quite a bit. So we are going along the coast now again. Nice, lovely view. Here and there are those vista points, creeks, and all that where people just go park their vehicle and see the beaches. Very nice. Roads are too good. I think that's why they are able to travel so fast here. If only in our country the roads were good, then we were on par with all the Western countries.
I would rather say that our highways are also good. It's not bad. The only thing is, you'll find a lorry coming on the one way. You'll see people coming from the other opposite direction. You'll see that cattle crossing. If all these things
Don't happen.
Really,
Yeah.
and the people behave themselves properly and they follow traffic rules, then I'm sure that even India also will be good, right? Especially that quadrilateral is very good.
As our San Simeon to LA road trip comes to an end, I hope this journey has inspired you to experience the breathtaking Pacific Coast Highway for yourself. From dramatic coastal cliffs to charming seaside towns, this drive is truly one of the most scenic in the world. Along the way, understanding US driving rules like speed limits, lane markings, and right-of-way laws ensures a smooth and safe ride. Whether it's knowing when to pass, how to navigate highways, or following road signs, these rules help make road trips enjoyable for everyone. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps bring more exciting travel adventures and useful tips your way. Until next time, happy travels.